Hello and welcome my friend, here is the car doctor Peter Finn, your friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to restart and reset run flat indicator, and let's continue. And now I have in here my car and I have in here service message, and now we have to go firstly this our car's dashboard menu, and we have to keep our power off in our ignition key, and then there are those settings in this my steering wheel, and when I change these settings, these arrows in here, I can see that there is trip, audio, telephone, and then assistant and service, and there is now message, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and in there we can see two messages, but this is tire pressure. This is I have now message, two message, and when we look these, there is message check tire pressures, then restart run flat indicator. Excellent. Okay, and then when we have really this car power on, I need to check this my car's computer's area. I am now pressing this my car's this steering wheel adjusting arrows, and now I like to go in this service area, and there is two messages, and when we read that message number one, it says that run flat indicator needs restart, and second is that I have left license plate is bad. Okay, and let's go to look that tire pressure restart, and I choose that one in here, and I am really moving these arrows in here in that way, and then when I select something I need to press this OK button in here like check, and then when I like to read those arrows left and up and down, and then when I like to go back, there is this back arrow in here, and then we are in back. And now I choose this tire pressures, and then I press OK, and then there is restart with OK, and next I need to press that one, and let's go to look that area next. Okay, and now we can see that run flat indicator restart, and then when I press that OK button, then it says that now tire press now OK, and then cancel, and now I use my arrow in here, I choose this yes, and then again OK, and now it says that run flat indicator restarted, and then this job is ready. And then ready when I am really restarting this my run flat indicator tire pressures, I need to press that again OK button in here, and again OK, and I need to only a little bit change these settings, and now run flat is ready. Okay, and then when I really choose that indicator OK and yes and OK, and now everything is fine, and there is only one error message left, left license plate is bad, but I can repair that later. Okay, and now this my tire pressure indicator is restarted and fine, and thank you for watching that my info video, my friend.